As we all know that the Apple event is happening on September 7. Apple is expected to unveil 4 new iPhones: the standard iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So today we have the iPhone 14 Pro cases from Casco. I do have the iPhone 14 Pro dummy unit to test these cases because iPhone 14 is not out yet. Now let's jump into the unboxing. This is the magic stand case. Since we have the dummy unit, I'm just gonna put this on this iPhone 14 Pro unit and just show you guys what it looks like. We have this, the magic stand case. As you can see, the cameras are slightly bigger than the last year's iPhone 13 Pro. Also tell you guys that this year Pro lineup will be getting the new 48 megapixel camera. Well, the case looks fresh and clean. It is a MagSafe compatible case. Well, on the back there is a magic stand. It is made of aluminum alloy, 1.5 times more magnetic than the Apple magnetic cases. Magnetic stand can be placed stably with the portrait and landscape use mode. It has military grade drop protection and has the anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint tech. The case has the raised bezels on the front and on the back to protect the camera and screen from touching the ground. It gives the case a superior protection. And on the bottom side there are fusible cutouts. And this is a Q-Shock case. Well, it is 8 feet drop tested. As you can see, the case has a raised camera lip to protect the lens on the back, so you don't have to worry about the bumps and the scuffs. Talking about the design, well, it is a silky smooth matte black design. The grip is good and has the non-slip texture on both the sides, so you don't have to worry about your phone accidentally slipping out of your hand. Case is anti-fingerprint and anti-scratch. On the side there are 4 TPU bumpers. It protects the device from bumps and the faults. This is a matte clear case. It is nice and gives the premium feel. It is a MagSafe compatible case and has the anti-yellow tech. On the back, the magnetic force is 150% stronger than the previous gen. It has the military grade drop protection. The case has the 3rd gen airbag, which makes the case shock proof. It is the 10 feet drop tested and has a strong grip. This is a clear prime case. It is anti-scratch and has the anti-yellow tech. It does support MagSafe and comes with a portable phone stand. It does have the military drop protection, as you can see the sides and the bigger corners, and it is 6 feet drop tested. It generally feels premium in hand. The grip is good. The case has the red bezel on the front on the back to protect the camera and the screen from touching the ground. So if you are interested in buying these cases, I will leave the link down in the description below. You can buy it from there. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys later. Peace out.